Boutique Hotel, Part 7, Bag 7. Hello and welcome to Square Ghost, and here we are with the Part 7, the start of Part 7 for Lego's Tell Me Boutique Hotel. And yes, we have a minifigure, we have the backpacker. I've tried to shine a little bit of light on, so as you can see, I hope you don't get too much glare in the distance. So we have a nice lady backpacker. She has a camera, that's what she's carrying. She's carrying the camera. She's got a tied top on, as you can see, the hair tied back, blue legs, whatever. If I gently, you can see now, look at that, you get to see the backpack. Absolutely stupendous. Now while I'm at it, we have a little bit of a line on the instructions, and it says as follows. It says, the backpacker is travelling the world. She's doing it on a budget, so she's staying in the hotel's economy room. So with that, let's get on with the build. So as you can see, we're into the build, well into the build in fact. Start off by making this base plate. Yes, we're plating, you know I like plating and tiling, and it's basically one of the plates. I will turn over so as you can get an idea of what it is. You can see we've got those lovely shaped plates there, angle cut off, little squares. All these just holding the things together, the connecting pieces, as you would see. We have one of those connecting pieces. I will just quickly turn over there so you can see, which I'll show you for. And then we've built up this piece separately. Lovely shape, I must admit, I do love the architecture of the shape. It looks really, really nice. So this obviously will connect to that. We'll turn it over, get them round, and then I believe we start to build to the plate. And there you go, very quickly, as I said, it just connects on with that blue connector piece. And look at that shape, it looks absolutely brilliant. So we're going to turn it over now, and as I say, start building to the plates. Sorry for the glare, but there you have our first sort of layer of bricks. What a lovely shape, look at them curves now, they're sweeping. Nice round there, and you can see it just goes across the bottom end, and now we're going to build up again, so away we go. And just a quick update again, you can see how we have now really got foundations for all walls. We're going to start to build up now. We've not got that much left, as you can see. Nice quick section, really enjoying it. And there you have it, that is the end of part 7, bag 7, and we've built up the plates ready, and we've started to build the structure. We've got some walls in. Sorry about that, little coffee fit. As I said, we've got some structure, and it's all up and running. Not a lot really to say. I showed you the plates earlier. As you can see there, we've got a higher wall structure all the way around. It's interesting. We've got some claws here, so something will stick to that. We've got a bit of fauna, a bit of leaf. Round maybe for some sort of turret or dome. Gaps for our windows. There's a joint to that other plate, if you remember the other one that we built. And like I said, if you look down there, you can see the sort of architecture you're going to get. Finally, that big wall that I showed you, and we're back where we started. So I hope you've liked this little video. It's just been nice, short as possible. The build's been great, and we're ready for part 8 tomorrow. And if you've enjoyed this little video, please give us a thumbs up, hit that like button for me, always good for me and the channel. And if you want to follow us tomorrow for part 8, bag 8, then all you have to do is click on that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Anybody who has watched any of my little videos, including this one of course, thank you very much for watching. Always appreciated. and I hope we'll see you here tomorrow with me, Square Ghost, as we delve into part 8, bag 8 of Lego's Boutique Hotel. And with that, you know the score, you know the drill. My name's Kev, I am Square Ghost, and I'll see you all on the flip side.